Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. All of you have done the
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. You have done the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have written the notes in your copy of active and passive voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So maybe in the online class one day I will tell you to show your copies one by one.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I have to put your marks. So according to that, uh, to put the marks, you have to show your copy. Okay. So Vishakha, can you hear me? Screen is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Vishakha, Atul Raj, 9. Atul Raj, can
Ma'am,
you hear me? Atul Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Tell the answer of the first question. I sent the homework yesterday. They drew a circle. What will be the answer? Atul?
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Hello? Hello, Atul, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You haven't done the homework, that means? Atul, you haven't done the homework? Okay, Akash,
मैम नहीं बोला.
क्या क्या हुआ अतुल?
Ma'am, may I answer? Akansha.
Okay, Akash.
Ma'am, can I, Janvi? Ma'am, a circle was drawn by them.
Yes, this sentence is in the simple past tense. So you will use the past verb and the V3. A circle was drawn by them. This is the correct answer. Then I dash for 5 weeks without rest.
Ma'am, may I?
Oh,
Ma'am,
Akash
can I?
answered. Okay,
Ma'am, can I?
Janvi.
Have been working. I have
Yes, ma'am.
been working for 5 weeks without rest.
Yes, have been working. Yes, Janvi, your answer is correct. Okay. My mother is cooking food. Who will answer this? Anurag Roy. Anurag,
Ma'am.
Anurag,
Ma'am can
you raised your hand. My mother is cooking food. These are the options. Food is being, 4 options are there. You can see
May
them.
I answer?
Okay, let
Ma'am can
Anurag.
I?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. Anurag. Anurag Roy. Okay, Harshvardhan, you want to answer? My mother is cooking food. Harshvardhan.
Ma'am, may I answer, Akansha?
Wait, let others also try. Avnish Pandey, Anurag Roy, you have raised your hand. Answer. Anurag. Anurag, you have raised your hand. Answer it. I think he's not. Okay.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Srija answer. Srija.
Ma'am
Ma'am, food is being cooked by my mother.
Yes, food is being cooked by my mother. is है तो is ही होगा यहाँ भी, फिर सिर्फ being and
Ma'am,
but there is one mistake I think here.
ma'am, option A होगा. Option A.
अच्छा हाँ, सॉरी सॉरी, वही तो मुझे लगा कि food is here. Yes, food is being cooked by mother. Okay. Someone has robbed the bank. Who will answer? Anurag?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, wait, let me see who has not answered.
Ma'am, I am not able to answer.
Yes, Anurag.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, now you answer, Anurag. This one, fourth one, you have to answer. 4 options are there. Someone has robbed the bank.
The bank has been robbed by. The bank has been robbed
Okay, yes. I
by
told
someone.
you. Yes, yes, Anurag, your answer is correct. I told you sometimes that you can omit the agent. So here the agent is omitted. Alia was reading the Gita.
Ma'am, may I answer, Akansha?
Surbhi,
Ma'am, can I?
Surbhi,
The Gita was read by Alia.
Ma'am, can I?
ing है.
Ma'am, may I answer? Ma'am, may I answer, Akansha?
एक मेल
Ma'am, can I answer?
Who was that? Great.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Ma'am, may I
Anurag,
answer?
Anurag.
The Gita was being read by Alia.
Yes, the Gita was being read by Alia. Okay.
Ma'am, second option.
नहीं, sorry. war मैंने टिक लगा दिया. हाँ, was.
Ma'am, first होगा.
The Gita was being read by. नहीं, ये A होगा. गीता आलिया.
Yes, ma'am, A होगा.
A होगा.
Yes, ma'am, first ही बोल रहा है. Ma'am, first ही बोल रहा है.
Okay. He will call me. 4 options.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Harshvardhan answer.
Ma'am, can I?
Second
Harshvardhan.
option, I will be called by him.
कौन सा है? A या B?
Ma'am, B, ma'am, I will be called by him.
Yes, I will be called by him. Very good. Okay. Yes, Harshvardhan, your answer is correct. You must help him. Janvi.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I?
He must be helped by you.
You must help him. He must be helped by you. Yes, option D. He must be helped
Yes, ma'am.
by you. Yes, correct. Their team may win the match.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Harshvardhan.
Ma'am, can I?
answer. Okay,
Ma'am,
Harshvardhan.
the match may be won by their team. Ma'am, C.
The match may be won by their team. Yes. Yes. Yes, Harshvardhan, your answer is correct. The students must have obeyed their teachers. Someone
Ma'am,
who hasn't answered, same Akansha, Anurag. I want someone who hasn't answered yet. Tanvi? Chalo, Tanvi answer.
Yes, ma'am. Their teacher must have been obeyed.
Must have been obeyed. Their teachers must have been obeyed. Yes. Yes. Yes, yeah. Tanvi, your answer is correct. Tanvi, yes. Okay. One's valuables. One must keep one's valuables carefully. Will answer. Aditi Kumari. Suchitra. Okay, Suchitra, new hand. Very good. Okay, Suchitra, can you hear me? Suchitra? Hello? Hello, Suchitra? Your hand is up. Answer. Hello?
But one valuable must be kept.
Which option? You say the option, Suchitra?
C. Ma'am, C.
One's valuables must be. I think one word is missing over here. Yes, your answer is correct. This word is missing. One's valuables must be kept carefully. Because carefully must be kept is not the correct answer. So, okay, so yes, Suchitra, your answer is. So, now we will move on to our literature poem Wind. So, Wind is the second poem of the Beehive book. Wind is the second poem of the book Beehive. So, the wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. How can we make friends with it? So, how can we make friends with it? By making ourselves strong. Uh, we can make friend with the wind by making ourselves as strong as the wind, by facing the wind. So in this poem, the poet is talking to the wind. So this is also a symbolic poem which conveys the message that we should be mentally and physically strong to face the hardships of life. So basically poem is about the wind, but what is the symbolic meaning of wind? The symbolic meaning of wind is the hardships or the adversities that come in our life. So here the poet has compared the destructive powers of the wind. So here the destructive powers of the wind is compared to hardships and adversities. So you understand? Like just in the previous poem, the road not taken. So what do the roads symbolize? Roads symbolize decisions or choices. What is the inner meaning of road? It means decisions and choices. So this also is a symbolic poem in which the wind actually, the destructive powers of wind actually means the hardships and adversities of life. So the poet is teaching us, the poet is giving us a very strong message, giving the example of the wind. So the poet is conveying a strong message to the people by giving us the example
Ma'am,
of
what is the meaning of hardship?
हार्डशिप मतलब हमारे लाइफ में जो मुश्किलें आती हैं, जो प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, वो है हार्डशिप्स. हार्डशिप्स मीन्स द प्रॉब्लम्स, द ऑब्स्टेकल्स दैट कम इन आवर लाइफ. सो हियर द poet is comparing the strong wind, the destructive wind, to the hardships of life. Now wind has two faces. One is the soft wind that is harmless, isn't it? In fact, wind is beneficial in many things. So soft wind is harmless, but the same wind, if it blows at a very great speed, if it is violent, then what happens?
Destruction takes place.
Destruction.
Yes, destruction takes place. So here the poet is comparing that strong destructive wind to the hardships in life. So फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा, पहला स्टैंजा में जो है वो पोएट जो है वो विंड से बातें कर रहे हैं. So in the first stanza, the poet is talking to the wind. What is it telling to the wind? Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. So in the first stanza, the poet is talking to the wind. The poet is making a request to the wind. विंड से वो निवेदन कर रहे हैं. क्या निवेदन कर रहे हैं? कि तोड़फोड़ नहीं करें, धीमे से आए, डोंट ब्रेक द शटर्स, तोड़फोड़ नहीं करने का रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं. डोंट स्कैटर द पेपर्स, don't throw down the books on the shelf. So this is the request that the poet makes. But the wind does not listen to the poet. विंड जो है वो पोएट की बातें नहीं मानता है, वो तेज गति में आता है. So similarly in our life also, if we pray to God not to give problems and obstacles, that is not going to happen. A human life is full of problems. Obstacles and problems are sure to come in human life. It is an integral part, अभिन्न हिस्सा है मानव लाइफ का. जो हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स है वो तो आएंगे ही. तो डोंट थ्रो डाउन द बुक्स ऑन द शेल्फ. देयर, लुक व्हाट यू डिड, यू थ्रू देम ऑल डाउन. तो पोएट ने विंड से निवेदन किया, लेकिन विंड ने पोएट के बात को नहीं माना. सो द पोएट डज नॉट लिसन टू द रिक्वेस्ट मेड बाय द विंड, एंड it tears the pages. The wind comes at a very great speed. It is the destructive wind, so it has caused destruction. What are the destruction it has caused? It has torn the pages. You tore the pages. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Now if you look at the wind, which objects is the wind able to destroy? Strong things or weak things?
Ma'am, small thing.
Small things, unless and until it is very, very powerful. uh, Even initially the wind destroys the small things. So what is the poet saying? That you are clever at poking fun at weaklings. So the poet is making a comment on the wind that you are very clever in making fun of the weaklings. क्योंकि विंड जो है वो कमजोर चीजों को ही डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहा है, पेपर फाड़ रहा है, हल्के फुल्के चीजों को उड़ा रहा है. So frail crumbling houses. Crumbling means falling down. So frail means weak. So frail means weak, and crumbling means falling down. So frail means weak, crumbling means falling down. So here the poet is commenting on the wind that you are very clever. You don't destroy the strong things. You just destroy the weak things. You make fun of the weaklings. What are the things that the wind is able to destroy? The weak houses, weak doors, crumbling rafters. So rafter is the sloping beam which supports a roof. Sloping beam रूफ को जो सपोर्ट करता है, स्लोपिंग पिलर जैसा रहता है जो रूफ को सपोर्ट करता है. सपोर्टिंग the room. So now the poet makes a request to the wind, but the wind does not listen. So what is the option left? The option left is to construct strong things that will not be affected by the wind. So here the poet is through the wind, the poet is giving us a message that obstacles will come in your life में मुश्किलें आएंगी, तो हमारे आगे क्या ऑप्शन बच जाता है, that we have to make ourselves mentally and physically strong to face the hardships. Otherwise, like the strong wind, the hardships will destroy us. So uh, the poet is giving us a message to make ourselves mentally and physically strong so that we are not destroyed by the hardships that come in our life. And the poet is giving this message by uh, giving us the example of the wind. Just as the wind destroys the weak things but cannot affect the strong things, similarly, if we make ourselves mentally and physically strong, then the obstacles, the hardships that come in our life, it will not be able to break us. Okay, so the wind god winnows and crushes them all. So winnow, what is the meaning of winnow? Have you read this term in
Ma'am,
your science?
separating.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Winnowing
Ma'am,
process.
separating shaft from the
Yes, ma'am.
grains.
Yes, ma'am.
You must have come across this word in your science chapter. Method
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
separation,
Separating
winnowing,
of grains from chaff.
separating grain from the chaff
Yes.
by blowing wind on it. Huh? Separating grain from
From
the chaff. Chaff is the outer covering. It is written CH, but it is pronounced as chaff. So separating grain from the chaff. विनोइंग का एक डायग्राम भी था, ये देखो विनोइंग ऐसे ऐसे सेपरेट किया जाता है. हाँ, so the women, they are dropping it from a height. What will happen? The grain will gather at one place and the chaff will be blown away. This is the how winnowing is done. So this is winnowing. So the wind god winnows and crushes them all. So what does the destructive wind do? It separates the light and the tough things. क्योंकि विंड गॉड को भी पता है कि मजबूत चीजों को वो कुछ बिगाड़ नहीं सकता है. तो what it does? It first separates the lighter and the heavier things, means the lighter and the stronger things, and then it crushes all the weaker things. He won't do what you tell him. He won't do what you tell him. He here is the wind. He refers to the wind. Poet ने request तो किया था. The poet had made a request to the wind that come softly, don't destroy things. But the wind did not pay any attention to the request of the poet. It blew very strongly and it has destroyed so many things. So the poet is also trying to warn us that you will get obstacles and problems in your life. How much ever you pray to God to keep you away from those troubles, it is going to happen in your life. So you have to make yourselves mentally and physically strong to face those hardships. So come, let's build strong homes. तो wind जो है वो बात नहीं मानने वाला है. तो what should be done? You should be, you should. So the poet is saying that let us build strong homes. Let us join the doors firmly. Firmly here means strongly. Let us build strong homes. Let us build strong doors. Practice to firm the body means make yourself physically strong. Practice to form your body means make yourself physically strong. To firm the body. Make the heart steadfast means determined. firm decision. So make the heart steadfast means make your mind strong. So make the practice to form the body means make your body strong. Make the heart steadfast means make yourself strong, mentally and emotionally strong. So make yourself mentally and emotionally strong. Do this and the wind will be friends with us. So the wind is the enemy of the strong things, but the wind is the the wind is the enemy of the weak things, but the wind is the friend of the strong things. So if you make yourself strong, what will happen? The wind will not be your enemy. If you make yourself strong, the wind will be your friend. Means if you make yourself strong, the obstacles will become your friends. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes the strong fires roar and flourish. So now he has given another example of how different things are affected in different way by the wind. The wind blows out weak fire. अगर
मैम ऑब्स्टिकल्स का मीनिंग क्या होता है?
किसका? Obstacles, problems,
ऑब्स्टिकल्स.
बाधा, problem. Obstacles also means problem. Obstacle, problem सब synonyms है. प्रॉब्लम मतलब समस्या, ऑब्स्टेकल मतलब बाधा, थोड़ा सा अंतर है ना. सो द विंड ब्लोज आउट वीक फायर्स. अगर आग कमजोर है तो हल्के से हवा से वो बुझ जाता है, लेकिन अगर आग बहुत स्ट्रांग है तो व्हाट हैपेंस? इट रोर्स एंड फ्लरिशेस. सो the wind blows out weak fires, he makes strong fires roar and flourish. So here also the poet wants to give us the example of weak and strong people. So what happens to the weak people? The obstacles destroy them. What happens to the bold, courageous and strong people? They overcome the obstacles, and once they overcome the obstacles, uh, they become stronger. अगर आप अपने लाइफ में बहुत सारे डिफिकल्टीज झेलते हैं, उसको ओवरकम करते हैं, तो यू नेचुरली बिकम अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सन. सो just as the wind blows out weak fires, the weak persons in life, those who are not bold, those who are not mentally and physically strong, they also get defeated by the problems of life. But the strong persons, they face the obstacles and they uh, come out stronger after facing these obstacles. Just as we saw in we read in the chapter how a handicapped girl, Evelyn Glennie, she refused to uh, be upset by her deafness. At a very young age, she became deaf. But did she give up the hope? She faced that challenge boldly and then became a famous musician. So, uh, the strong people, they face the obstacles very boldly and they become stronger. His friendship is good. So, wind is not basically very bad. Friendship is good also. So sometimes obstacles come to bring out our hidden talent. So even if obstacles come in our life, we should take it in a positive way, that they have come to make ourselves stronger. They have come to make us stronger than what we are. They have the obstacles have come to bring out our hidden potential. Mm. So obstacles also should be taken in a positive way. Obstacles come in our life to bring out the hidden potential. हिडन पोटेंशियल, हमारे अंदर जो टैलेंट है उसको भी बाहर निकालने की कितना कोई टॉलरेट कर सकता है. So his friendship is good. We praise him every day. So the friendship of the wind is good. So it's better, instead of getting destroyed by the wind, you make yourself strong and face the wind. That is better. Then the wind will become very strong. So this is a poem written by Subramania Bharti, great Tamil poet, famous for his patriotism in pre-independence era. तो ये जो पोएट हैं सुब्रमण्य भारती, ये he was a very patriotic person. देशभक्ति के गाने वो लिखा करते थे. तो एक तरह से अगर हम देखें तो इस पोएम में भी वो सिटीजन्स को संदेश देते हैं. At that time our country was under the British rule, so he wanted to encourage the people not to be scared of the Britishers and to fight with them. So uh, being a patriotic poet, he wrote this poem to encourage the citizens to face the Britishers. And okay, any doubts, any line that is not clear? Hello, पूछना है किसी को कुछ? Hello, my God, participants are declining. आकांक्षा, क्या पूछना है? बोलो आकांक्षा.
No, ma'am.
हाथ ऊपर है तुम्हारा. ओके.
मैम
हाँ पूछो अनुराग, बोलो.
मैम आप मंडे को कौन सा कॉपी चेक करने वाली हैं?
मंडे को नहीं चेक करेंगे, अगले 1-2 वीक बाद चेक करेंगे और कुछ चैप्टर्स हो जाए तो मार्क्स डालेंगे. So one by one. So attendance is declining. Why? Okay, so no doubts. Everything is clear. Okay. So word meanings: poking fun, making fun. ये भी बता दिए थे. Rafter, sloping being, supporting a roof. Then winnow, blow grain free of chaff, separate grain from the husk by blowing on it. So, okay, what are the things the wind does in the first stanza? Who will answer?
Ma'am, wind is blowing softly and don't break anything.
Ma'am, wind breaks houses, it crumbles homes, it crumbles lives and hearts, it blows out fires.
Okay,
And
first
it
stanza
destroys
में
the
सिर्फ
buildings.
blows out fires बाद में है. First stanza का सिर्फ ये करना है. So in the
Ma'am,
first
first stanza is
breaks,
It
shatters,
scatters the paper and it throws down the
scatters
books
the
on the
papers.
shelf.
So first stanza, it breaks the shutters, scatters the papers and throws down the books on the shelf. So in the first stanza, the wind performs 3 destructive activities. Okay. Then have you seen anybody winnow grain at home or in a paddy field?
Yes, ma'am.
If you
ma'am.
yes, गांव अगर जाएं तो ये बहुत कॉमन होता है. लोग अनाज को ऐसे ही सेपरेट करते हैं. या कभी कभी घर में भी वो गेहूं होता है तो यू जस्ट use some husk particles are left in that and then You remove it. You must have seen your mother doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What does the poet say the wind god winnows? Wind god winnows what? Wind god winnows?
Mm, mm,
Wind god winnows what?
ma'am, he winnows weak fires. It
विनो
winnows,
क्या सेपरेट क्या करते हैं?
ma'am, it winnows weak
Gray.
people.
वीक एंड द स्ट्रॉन्ग थिंग्स. विनो मतलब बस सेपरेट करना. वीक फ्रॉम द स्ट्रॉन्ग थिंग्स. सेपरेट क्या क्या चीज करते हैं वो? दो चीजों को. वीक फ्रॉम द स्ट्रॉन्ग थिंग्स. And then crushes the strong things. And then crushes the weak things. What should we do to make friends with the wind? क्या
By
कर
making
सकते
ourselves as strong as the wind.
ourselves strong, making ourselves strong, both mentally and okay. Four lines. What do the last four lines mean? The wind blows out weak fires, he makes strong fires roar and flourish. What does it mean?
Ma'am, I can answer.
Okay, Srija.
Ma'am, just as weak fires get extinguished by wind, but strong fires burn brighter and more vigorously, similarly, frail people don't stand a chance against the hurdles in life. Therefore, we should become steadfast so that the complications in life can be easily dealt with and they flourish us both mentally and physically.
Yes, Srija, your answer is correct. So here, the wind blows out weak fires, he makes strong fires roar and flourish. So the poet is trying to say that the people who are not bold, who are mentally and physically weak, they they get destroyed by the difficulties of their life, whereas the strong people, they face the obstacles boldly and bravely, and they come out successful. They defeat those obstacles. The strong people, they face the